Every gun store in America has one. A rack of single-shot shotguns collecting dust while customers walk past them toward the semi-autos. Most shooters treat these guns like beginner tools, something you graduate from. That assumption is wrong. Today, 5 guns will prove it. These are the budget single shots that gunsmiths recommend, that survival instructors carry, and that hunters in the field have trusted for decades over guns that cost thousands of price. The number 1 pick on this list ships with a feature that most $500 shotguns do not include from the factory. You will not see that coming. Let's get into it. Number 5, the Rossi Tuffy in 410. Most people look at a 410 shotgun and see a limitation. Rossi looked at the same shell and built a field tool that weighs 4.7 pounds and fits in a day pack without modification. That is not a beginner gun. That is an engineering decision. Rossi has been producing working firearms in Brazil since 1889, building a reputation across more than a century of commercial production. The Tuffy was not designed for the shooting range crowd. It was designed for the person who needs a gun light enough to carry all day and reliable enough to work when it matters. Law enforcement trainers have used scaled-down platforms like the Tuffy to introduce new shooters to shotgun mechanics precisely because the platform is simple enough to teach and forgiving enough to survive rough handling. Here is what most people miss about this gun. The Tuffy ships with an automatic ejector. In this price class, that is nearly unheard of. Most break-action shotguns at this price point use a simple extractor that lifts the hull partway out of the chamber. You pull the empty case the rest of the way with your fingers. The Tuffy throws the spent hull clear of the chamber the moment you break the action open. For a one-shot gun, that mechanical detail is the difference between a slow reload and a fast one. The Tuffy runs an 18.5-inch barrel chambered for 3-inch shells, with an overall length of 24 inches. Weight sits at 4.7 pounds unloaded. The cross-bolt safety and transfer bar system prevent the firing pin from reaching the primer unless the trigger is deliberately pulled. Compare that to the Charles Daly 101, which ships without a transfer bar system in most configurations, and the Tuffy delivers meaningfully more passive safety for roughly the same money. The honest weakness is the cartridge itself. 410 loads carry less payload than 20-gauge or 12-gauge shells of the same length, which limits effective range on birds and reduces stopping power in a defensive situation. That weakness matters at ranges beyond 30 yards. Inside 30 yards, it does not. This gun belongs in the hands of a young shooter learning fundamentals, a small-framed hunter working close cover, or anyone who needs a trail gun that weighs almost nothing. The next gun on this list trades the compact size of the Tuffy for something different entirely. A locking system so over-engineered for its price point that it keeps the action tight after thousands of cycles when comparable guns develop slop. Number 4, the New England Firearms Pardner SB1. This gun has been putting small game on the table for American families since the 1970s, not because it is flashy, because it does not break. New England Firearms built the Pardner line as a working-class alternative to the high-dollar break actions dominating the market at the time. The design drew directly from the old Harrington and Richardson single-shot tradition, a tradition stretching back to 1871. When Savage Arms absorbed the H&R brand, production of the Pardner continued without interruption because the market for a dead simple, indestructible shotgun never went away. Farm supply stores stocked them. Rural co-ops stocked them. Shooting instructors bought them by the case for youth programs. Here is the engineering decision that changed everything about this gun. The Pardner uses a drumlock bolt system. Most break-action shotguns at this price point lock the barrel with a single pivot point at the front of the receiver. The Pardner drives 2 deep locking lugs into the receiver frame when the action closes, a geometry borrowed directly from target-grade break actions costing several times the price. That is why Pardner actions stay tight after thousands of rounds when comparable guns develop wobble at the hinge. The lockup feels like closing a bank vault compared to guns in the same price bracket. The Pardner SB1 ships in 12-gauge, 20-gauge, 28-gauge, and 410 bore, all chambered for 3-inch shells except the 28-gauge, which runs 2 3/4. Barrel lengths run from 26 inches to 32 inches depending on configuration. Weight sits between 5 and 6 pounds, intentionally heavier than most competitors in this class. That extra mass absorbs recoil mechanically so your shoulder does not have to. The transfer bar safety system blocks the firing pin from reaching the primer unless the trigger is fully depressed, meeting the same passive safety standard as guns twice the price. The genuine weakness is that weight. At 6 pounds, the Pardner is the heaviest gun on this list. On a long walk through the field, that difference over the Tuffy is felt by the end of the day. For a shooter who prioritizes portability above all else, that matters. The Pardner belongs with the new shooter learning fundamentals, the youth hunter who needs a gun that will outlast their interest in the sport, and the farm owner who wants a reliable tool hanging in the barn for the next 20 years. The next gun on this list sacrifices locking mass and barrel length for one specific mission, pure portability. And the engineer who designed it hid the most useful feature inside the stock where most shooters never think to look. Number 3, the Charles Daly 101. Every gun on this list is a break action. Only one of them folds completely in half. No tools, no loose parts. One latch release and the Charles Daly 101 collapses into a package short enough to fit across the top of a standard backpack. That is not a gimmick. That is a design decision with a 70-year pedigree behind it. Charles Daly is one of the oldest names in American shooting sports, a brand with roots stretching back to the 1880s. The 101 is manufactured in Turkey by Chiappa Firearms and built directly on the bones of the Beretta FS1, a break-action design that Italian engineers developed in the 1970s and deployed across decades of commercial and field use. When a Turkish factory is copying a Beretta action, the shooter benefits from every reliability lesson that platform already learned. Here is what most people miss about this gun. The folding hinge on the 101 is not a stock fold. The entire gun breaks at the receiver, barrel and all, collapsing the platform to roughly half its deployed length without disassembly of any component. A shooter can go from full deployment to pack configuration and back in under 5 seconds. No other gun on this list does that. The Nomad folds at the stock, the 101 folds at the gun. The 101 ships in 12-gauge, 20-gauge, and 410 bore, all chambered for 3-inch shells. The 20-gauge version with a 26-inch barrel runs an overall length of 41 3/4 inches deployed and weighs 5 pounds unloaded. The 410 configuration drops to 4.55 pounds, the lightest option in the lineup. Choke threading follows the Beretta and Benelli Mobile standard, and the gun ships with a modified choke installed from the factory. The brass bead front sight gives a clean reference point in the field without adding complexity. The honest weakness is the extractor. The 101 lifts the spent hull partway out of the chamber and stops there. The shooter pulls the empty case the rest of the way by hand. Compared to the Rossi Tuffy at number 5, which ejects the hull automatically, that is a slower reload sequence. That weakness matters when speed counts. For a hunter taking one deliberate shot at a time, it does not. The 101 belongs with the backpacker who wants a folding 12-gauge that actually folds the gun and not just the stock, the budget hunter who needs a reliable Turkish-built Beretta pattern action for under $170, and the new shooter who wants a platform with enough history behind it to trust in the field. The next gun on this list trades the folding capability of the 101 for one specific number. At 20.6 inches collapsed, it goes somewhere no other gun on this list will fit. Number 2, the Rock Island Armory TK-105 Traditional. This gun costs under $150 and is built to the same internal specification as firearms supplied to a standing military. That is not marketing. That is the Armscore manufacturing standard. Rock Island Armory is the American brand of Armscore, a Philippine company that has produced firearms for the armed forces of the Philippines for more than 5 decades. When a government contracts a manufacturer for military weapons, that manufacturer builds to tolerance. The TK-105 comes off the same factory floor. Here's what most people miss about this gun. The barrel is chrome-lined. Chrome lining is a military specification treatment that resists corrosion, reduces bore erosion, and extends service life beyond what plain carbon steel delivers. Most single-shot shotguns under $200 do not have it. The TK-105 does because it is how Armscore builds every gun they make. The TK-105 runs a 20-inch barrel with an overall length of 36 6/10 inches, weighing 5.1 pounds unloaded. A silver anodized aluminum alloy receiver keeps the frame light. A ported muzzle brake reduces felt recoil at the moment of firing. 2 rubber butt pads ship in the box for 2 length of pull options at no extra cost. The honest weakness is the fixed cylinder bore, no choke tube, no choke thread. What you see is what you get downrange. For a bird hunter needing tight patterns at distance, that matters. For a farm owner or new shooter who needs a reliable tool that never fails, it does not. The next gun has been in production longer than most of its competitors have existed as companies, and it ships with one feature no other gun on this list includes from the factory. You have waited long enough, here it is. Number 1, the Stevens 301 by Savage Arms. This gun retails for under $280 and ships with a choke tube already installed from the factory. No other gun on this list does that. That single fact tells you everything about why it sits at the top. Savage Arms has manufactured firearms in Westfield, Massachusetts since 1894. The Stevens brand, which Savage absorbed in 1920, has produced affordable working guns for American hunters for over a century. The 301 is the modern expression of that tradition. American engineered, American assembled, built to Savage tolerances, not to a price. Here's what most people miss about this gun. The 301 ships with a wind-style choke thread cut into the muzzle and a modified choke installed from the factory. Swap to cylinder for close quarters defensive use. Thread in a full choke for turkey at distance. One gun, multiple missions, no extra cost at the counter. No other gun on this list gives you that option straight out of the box. The 301 runs a 26-inch barrel chambered for 3-inch shells with an overall length of 42.5 inches. Weight sits at 5.85 pounds. The hammer block safety operates in 2 positions. The brass bead front sight sits on a solid barrel rib that no other gun on this list provides at anywhere near this price. Available in 12-gauge, 20-gauge, and 410 bore, the honest weakness is single-shot capacity. Every gun on this list shares that limitation. What separates the 301 is the extractor geometry Savage engineered for fast reloads. The hull clears clean, the next shell drops straight in. The action closes with authority. Compared to the Nomad at $110, the 301 costs more and delivers a factory choke tube, a barrel rib, and American manufacturing. Compared to the Pardner, it adds choke versatility the Pardner cannot match without aftermarket work. No gun under $300 ships with more usable hardware out of the box. That is why it is number 1. 5 guns, 5 different answers to the same question. What is the best single-shot shotgun you can buy for under $300? The answer depends entirely on what you need it to do. If portability is the mission, the Nomad or the TriStar SB puts a folding 12-gauge in your pack for less than $150. If you need one gun that hunts birds, patterns for turkey, and defends a property without buying a second barrel, the Stevens by Savage 301 is the only gun on this list that does all of that out of the box. Here is the question for the comments. What was your first shotgun and do you still own it today? Tell us the make, the gauge, and what you used it for. The answers down there are always more interesting than the video. Note for viewers in states with restrictions on barrel length or folding stock configurations. Verify your local laws before purchasing any firearm on this list. Regulations vary by state and county. Subscribe if you want firearms breakdowns built on verified specifications and documented history, not marketing copy.